exclusive tours of the agent's own Big Apple apartment. Only by BravoTV.com. Listen, take your best shot in the world. This is yours. And you know what? I think golf is too passive. I like intensity. I like boxing, like